Today we are going to determine ESR using Winthrop's and Westergren method. Starting with Winthrop's tube method. Winthrop's tube is 11 cm long, heavy, cylindrical glass tube. The tube is calibrated in centimeter and millimeter from 0 to 10 cm from above to downward on one side of the scale for ESR and to 0 cm on other side for PCV. It has a uniform bore of diameter 2.5 mm. Its lower end is closed and flat. Pasture pipette. It is a glass tubing drawn to a long thin nozzle around 14 cm long. A rubber teat is provided to aspirate blood into the pipette by a slight pressure. It is used to filling the Winthrop's tube. Now let's get started with the procedure. Gently mix the blood and using the pasture pipette fill the Winthrop's tube from the downward to upward. Ensure that there are no air bubbles. Transfer the tube to its stand and adjust the screw so that it will remain vertical. Leave the tube undisturbed in this position for 1 hour. Now we will estimate ESR using Westergren pipette method. Westergren pipette is 300 mm long pipette and is calibrated in centimeter and millimeter from 0 to 200. It has a bore of 2.5 mm and is open from both the ends. Now let's get started with the procedure. Mix the blood gently and place the vial in the stand. The other end of the rubber tube is attached with the upper end of the Westergren pipette. The pipette is then inserted in the vial and piston is pulled to draw the blood in the pipette. Clean the dipped end of the pipette with cotton and lift the pipette and transfer it to the Westergren stand, firmly pressing its lower end into the rubber cushion. Now slip the upper end of the pipette under the screw cap, confirm there is no leakage of blood and pipette will remain vertical. Leave the pipette undisturbed for 1 hour and then note down the readings. Now we'll perform the ESR by using disposable Westergren pipette. Moving on to the procedure, gently mix the blood and then insert the lower end of the pipette bearing the collar in the tube and push it down slowly. The blood will automatically rise into the pipette and will reach the mark 0. Let it stand vertically for 1 hour and after 1 hour note down the readings. Apart from the manual methods of ESR, nowadays automatic analyzers are there for the ESR determination. This type of vial with black colored cap and 3.8% trisodium citrate anticoagulant is specifically used in such analyzers. The blood is drawn in the vial up to the white marking. Here are the results of ESR after 1 hour.